Hi, my name is James He, and I'm investigating the relationship between phonological processing, intelligence quotient, and reading cognition. This project was sparked during my freshman year when I compared the effectiveness of different comprehension methods, such as reading, listening, or reading and listening simultaneously. When students read an academic SAT passage, they comprehended more information than when they did using the other two comprehension methods. I thought this was surprising because I had predicted that listening and reading the text simultaneously would yield the deepest understanding, but the individual processes were more complex than I had thought, which I suspected was due to neurological factors. Fueled by curiosity, I wanted to investigate further into the different behavioral and neurological mechanisms that underlie the reading process. During sophomore year, I contacted Dr. Kai Jasinska and Ms. Ari Lau from the Haskins Laboratories at Yale University. Together, we discussed my freshman year project, and my mentors incorporated me into an ongoing longitudinal research project investigating the nature of reading acquisition in young children. In collaboration with my mentors, along with other research associates, I was involved in the data collection process, which featured the administration of standardized behavioral assessments and neuroimaging experiments on 200 random children participants ages 3 to 7 from the New Haven area. Currently, data collection has been ongoing for 3 years and is still in progress year-round at Haskins Laboratories. After each testing session, the research team and I score the assessments and organize the data into FileMaker database. Guided by my mentors, I analyze the data and draw the conclusions. The reading process is closely linked to phonology, which involves the comprehension, storage, and oral repetition of phonemes. Phonological awareness is defined as an individual's ability to manipulate phonemes and has been cited to be a reliable predictor of future reading outcome. Throughout the initial stages of language development, the superior temporal gyrus is essential to phonological decoding auditory information and storing that information into phonological memory as vocabulary. For reading cognition to develop, this phonological decoding process has to be automated. Disabled readers may exhibit slow and non-automatic phonological decoding. Another process of interest is IQ, which is the measure of general intelligence and typically remains constant throughout an individual's life from the age of 4. While aspects of IQ include written language components, dyslexia and other reading disabilities may develop in individuals with high IQs. Also, my study last year found that IQ and phonological awareness become more directly related as children increase in reading proficiency. We'll be analyzing the accuracy of IQ as a predictor of future phonological awareness and reading cognition before the onset of reading instruction. This will be done by identifying Pearson correlation coefficients and using general linear model analysis to assess the linearity of the relationships. In addition, I will analyze functional magnetic resonance images to compare the temporal lobe activation patterns of children with different IQs to determine whether they exhibit different brain activity while phonologically decoding real words and pseudo words. As behavioral and neurological analysis can potentially indicate IQ's accuracy in predicting whether a child will have future deficiencies in reading development before they even begin to read, which opens the possibility for an intervention or a focused instruction technique to enhance a child's reading experience.